Welcome. We would like to thank you on your purchase of the training headset bundle. This is the unboxing of your new XS 820 and 825 headsets. And here is our CEO doing the unboxing of the headsets. Enjoy.
I'm Rolando, the founder of Global Tech Worldwide, and I'm glad you joined me today, where we're going to be featuring products that you can use around the office so that you can more easily onboard and train agents that come into the office. There are two styles of headsets that I'm going to show you that we provide this training bundle. They're in the mono and what's called stereo or binaural. But in the box, you get the exact same, the mono or the stereo version. And then you get two other cords that come in the box. One is a splitter and one is a smart cord. It simply allows you to use this headset across many of those phones. And this particular cable has a little dip switch right here. And on that dip switch, there are a series of numbers that go from 1 through 8. Number 1 setting is a more universal setting that's going to work across many phones. And in the bag, you're going to get a little tag and it's going to tell you what 1 is, what 2, what 3, what 4 is. There's a little black plug that comes in the pouch, and all you need to do is just cover that back up and you won't ever have to touch that again. This is called the splitter. It splits the audio for 2 people. And on this particular splitter, you've got 2 ends, one that has the mute on it and one that doesn't. So that's what you have here. It's very straightforward. So these are called quick disconnect. Both of those will insert, you'll hear a little snap, so they'll snap in place. Now we can move to connecting this to your telephone. All we are looking for is the port that says headset. So we're going to take that and we're going to connect it right into the headset port. And if we're connected and live, what we want to do here is simply hit the headset button. You're done. And in less than 5 minutes, you're up and running. These headsets allow you to use it with the telephone or with a PC. We have an adapter that is on our store that will allow you to use the exact same headset that you were using for your telephone. Now you can use it with your computer. The headsets that we're showing you today are designed for professional use. We look forward to having you again, and we will see you the next time. Thanks for watching today.